Dear friends, today I am going to talk about life in nature. Although it is a very small talk, but it is a very important one. There has always been a debate about the relationship between the man and nature because life on this earth is not possible without nature. Although the importance of nature has been felt in every age, it has also been documented in writing, in which the relationship between the nature and man is considered essential for life on earth. But in modern times, human interference in nature due to the greed has created an imbalance between man and nature, due to which the world is suffering from various disasters. When it is said that nature is life, then if defects arise in nature itself, how can we even think about life? But for this, a balanced thinking of man about nature and life is possible only when there is a creation of a pro-people society that is not based on greed and self-centeredness. Thank you.